If you've been searching for Donnelly Bowral, you're probably asking one simple question. Is it legit or is it a scam? In this short review, I'll break down what I found so you can decide if it's worth your time. First, I couldn't find any major evidence suggesting that Donnelly Bowral is a scam. That's always a good starting point, but that doesn't automatically make it the perfect choice either. When checking any business, I like to look beyond the marketing. I check customer feedback, online presence, transparency, and overall reputation. For Donnelly Bowral, there don't appear to be widespread complaints or warning signs that would immediately raise red flags. That's a positive sign. However, there also isn't a huge amount of public information available. That's why it's important to do your own research before making any commitment. Take some time to read recent customer reviews. Look for patterns instead of focusing on one or two comments. Every business can receive an occasional negative review. Also, check how the business responds to customer concerns. A company that communicates clearly and addresses problems professionally is usually a better sign than one that stays silent. Another thing to verify is whether the business provides clear contact information, business details, and realistic promises. If something sounds too good to be true, it's always worth asking a few extra questions before moving forward. Based on my research, I didn't find enough evidence to label Donnelly Bowral as a scam. At the same time, I also wouldn't recommend making a decision without doing your own checks first. That's simply the smartest approach with any business. So, is Donnelly Bowral legit? From what I found, it appears to be a legitimate business rather than an obvious scam. But as always, your experience can depend on your specific needs and expectations. If you've already dealt with Donnelly Bowral, feel free to share your experience in the comments. Your feedback could help someone else make a better decision.